This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Drames. New construction. PELAIAH 2 Model 4 BDRMS, 2.5 baths, great room, eat and kitchen west/island, first floor primary bedroom, laundry room, attached garage, approximately 1.39 acres, completion January/February 2025, Ferguson, RAWLS and Rains attorney at settlement. Builder to consider closing cost assistance with preferred lender Atlantic Bay/Kelly Martin. Interior and exterior photo similar west/upgrades. Hurry and pick your own colors. October 1, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Drames at 757-335-3400.